What next after intermediate? Best career options and step-by-step guide. Confused about what to do after intermediate? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you the best career paths, how to choose the right one for you, and what steps you need to take. Stay till the end because I'll also share high-paying career options that many students ignore. Many students feel lost after intermediate. Parents say one thing. Friends suggest another. So what's right for you? Should you do B.Tech, government jobs, business, or something else? Engineering, B.Tech or B. Best for students who love electronics, computers, or technology. Entrance exams like JEE, IIMCET, state-level exams. Popular branches like ECE, CSE, IT, mechanical, AI and ML, etc. JobScope IT companies, PSUs, like BHEL, DRDO, ISRO. Government jobs, railway, SSC, ISRO, DRDO. Safe and high-paying jobs with job security. Exams like SSC, RRB, UPSC, DRDO, ISRO. Who should choose this? Students who prefer stability over private jobs. Business and freelancing. Start a YouTube channel, digital marketing, blogging, or freelancing. No need for a degree, just skills. High income, but needs patience and consistency. Entrepreneurship and startups. If you have a great business idea, start early. Requires risk-taking, innovation, and business knowledge. Example, many top entrepreneurs never did jobs, they built their own businesses. How to choose the best career path. Follow your interest, choose a career you enjoy, not just what others say. Check job opportunities. Will this field have jobs in the future? Salary and stability. Government jobs equal stability, business equals high risk, high reward. Can you handle pressure? Some fields need hard work and patience, like UPSC business. No matter what path you choose, focus on learning skills and gaining experience. Success is not about a degree. It's about what you do with it. Start early, work hard, and make a plan for your future. Which career path are you interested in? Comment below.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study hacks.